Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to codingscientist.com. We are watching machine learning on BLE Sense. You guys are enjoying, I am sure for that. Anyways, so guys, in the last couple of lessons I showed you how to install various types of libraries to activate your inbuilt sensors, right? And I also showed you how to run the sample code, example codes which is inbuilt, which has come inbuilt along with the IDE. Once you install the libraries, you will get those codes to run and test if the sensors are working. Well, now in this lesson, I have actually built a code, a sample code combining all 4, 5, 6 different sensors together to execute and run all at a stretch and show it in the terminal. So I'm going to show you how it works, and we will take it forward from there. So let's take a look at the code. All right, so this is how the code looks. So basically I included all the libraries. I tried to put the explanation here as much as possible. You guys can take a look at it. The first one obviously it's the IMU library, and the second one is temperature and humidity, and for pressure and for color proximity. And then we are putting that into the loop to serial begin and serial print. uh, you know and everything, every if look condition has got a while condition. When there is a 1 or a 0, when there is a trigger of 1, it will initialize and print. Same way for IMU, barometer, and the temperature and the color sensor. And then we are declaring a float value for the acceleration, and then getting into the loop again. So you can take a look at it, guys. I put the explanation in the side by side. It's there on my GitHub. So basically this set of code is going to basically show all the 5 sensors detected together, and it's going to show you in the serial monitor. We need to, in some of the projects in the future, we need to run all the sensors together. It's very important, especially when we are building IoT and robotics and trying to gather data to build a machine learning model. It's very important that we run either 1 or 2 sensors, or all the sensors, or alternative sensors depending upon the code what we write. So let's upload this program. I'm going to select the board, Arduino Embed OS boards 33BLE, and then I'm going to select my port COM8 and hit on upload button. Click upload. It's going to take quite a bit of time, but we will wait. So take a look at this code, guys, and if you want to learn this C++ coding from scratch, do go ahead and take a look at my other parallel lessons which I built, at least some 30-40 lessons on Arduino Mega, writing C++ code from the basics, right? So take a look at it, understand, get hands-on, come back to this lesson. You will be easily able to understand. In case you need a one-on-one coaching, I'll be happy to come on Zoom call and train you folks to, zero to hero. All right, done uploading. Now let me go to the port, connect to port 8. Let's cross our finger. There you go. All right, there you go. Fantastic. So Arduino BLE 33 is detecting all the sensors together. Can you see the output? Perfect. Look at the acceleration value, guys. It keeps changing, right? It came from 60 to 30. There you go. The acceleration changes, the gyroscope changes, and the magnetometer changes as well. Humidity, temperature may remain almost same because obviously the environment doesn't change pretty quick. But the accelerometer and the gyroscope, can you see that? Great. Fantastic. All right, guys. So that's it for this particular lesson. I will be back soon in the next video, and we will do some more magic. Do leave a message if you need any help. Goodbye.